Clinical trials offer hope, but not every explanation you receive about them is trustworthy. This video highlights 5 red flags that should make you pause and ask questions. Red flag 1. When you're told, this trial is your best treatment option. Clinical trials generate knowledge for future patients, but also should help you. Do ask, is this designed to help me specifically or only future patients? Red flag 2. You're rushed to sign the consent form. Informed consent is an ongoing process, not a checkbox. You have the right to ask questions and take time to decide. Pressure to sign quickly is a serious warning sign. Red flag 3. Risks and placebos aren't clearly mentioned. A legitimate explanation must disclose known risks, side effects, and the possibility of a placebo group. If risks are glossed over, that is unacceptable. It is critical that you understand all the risks. Red flag 4. The funding source isn't disclosed. You have the right to know who is sponsor and how you will be supported. Ask, who is funding this trial? Red flag 5. You feel you can't say no or withdraw. Participation must be 100% voluntary, and you have the right to withdraw at any time. This is MsBrown Simplifies, and I make videos to help understand the clinical trials better. Remember, if you spot a red flag, pause before signing, write your questions, and speak to your own doctor. A good trial will always welcome your questions.
Please like and subscribe to the MsBrown Simplifies for more information on clinical trials.